This is page 2 of the Chapter 12 practice test. So up at the top on number 11, the directions say use the law of cosines to find the measurement indicated. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. All right, so this is angle A, this is little a. This is angle C, this is little c, so we need little b, right? So we're going to use the b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac times the cosine of b. All right, so b squared is going to be equal to 28 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 28 times 18 times the cosine of 114. Then I'm going to simplify with the calculator. So 28 squared is 784. 18 squared is 324. 2 times 28 times 18. Oh, forgot to write that down. 2 times 28 times 18 times, let's just do that. 1008 cosine of 114. So I'm going to punch this all in the calculator. I've got 784 plus 324 minus 1008 times the cosine of 114. And then I'm going to take the square root of that. So I'm going to go second square root, second answer. And I've got 38.96. This rounds up, so this is roughly 39 feet. Jumping down to number 13, it says to convert each decimal degree, measure into degrees, minutes, and seconds. So I'm going to take the 249 degrees, and then I'm going to multiply the 0.4175 times 60, and that's going to get me to minutes. So I'll have 249 degrees plus 25.05 minutes, and then I need to multiply that by another 60, and that gets me 249 degrees plus 25 minutes and 3 seconds. Number 15 is the reverse. So I'm going to take the 171 degrees and add 21 over 60 plus 54 over 3600. Punch it all in my calculator, add them all up. So I've got 171.365 degrees. And then number 17, I want the cosecant of angle theta right here. So first I'm going to find the sine of theta, which is opposite over hypotenuse, so 12 over 20. Then I'm just going to take the reciprocal here and reduce it. They're both divisible by 4, so I've got 5/3.